Hello, hello. What's going on? A couple little quick updates here. This is the wood that we have left from the winter. A little pile right there. It's not like a crazy amount. The dog dropped a log behind me. Let me switch. Yeah, so just this little amount here is all we got left from the winter. I'll walk over here now. So, let me walk backwards. Big pile of wood there that I cut up last year. It's all still there. It had a big black tarp over it. So if we needed more, we could get some from there, but yeah. Flip. So this big wood pile here is probably going to be enough to get it. It's definitely going to be enough to get us through this winter. And then my uncle was up on the weekend, so we yoinked out a couple trees and split up this wood right here. So we're already starting to grab some more wood. And there's still a couple trees in the back right there. And then there's still a really big one that's sitting out. The snowblower was just over here with a tarp over the engine and like all the hydraulic part. It's just like the front of it wasn't covered by a tarp. My dogs are going absolutely wild over chipmunks right now. Yeah, but it started up in 2 pulls. And I didn't even put any stabilizer in it, which I should have, but it was still had like a half tank of gas. The oil's good, and it started in literally 2 pulls. So this thing's a champ. That's a Briggs & Stratton engine for you. We took the snowblower off of the tractor and just threw the bucket back on because that's very helpful now. And the ATV, I have to take the chains off of. I'm probably going to do that right now, actually. My dad had to go to town, so he took the Ranger with him. But we took the tracks off the Ranger. It's pretty much springtime if you can ignore the pile of snow over there and a little bit on the lake. Oh, speaking of the lake, dogs are going crazy. All the ice is gone. Like, it happened in like 3 days. I wish I took a video. But there was just like one strip of water going from the right side to like all the way to the left side. And then the next day, half the lake was gone. Like half the ice in the lake was gone. And now it's just this one spot over here. There's just a little bit of ice around the docks here. And there's just snow over here. And hey, dude. Tucker. Get off of that. That's going to collapse. The water is already going under it from you being on there. It's going to roll around in the last snow of the year. Enjoy it while you can, buddy. Yeah, is that good? Okay, guys, come on. Whoa! Yeah. Scared the shit out of me, dude. Come on. They were walking too close to the edge, and part of the snow just like collapsed, and part of it fell in. Yeah, so the dogs are doing kind of weird stuff right now. I think the ice pushed them down quite a bit. These 2 close ones. This one is popped out of the water all the way. This one here. It's still like, I think the front end is like in a little bit. But that one right there, it's very lopsided on this corner going down. It should be like that. Like those ones out there, right? And it's definitely not even close. So hopefully that'll bounce back, or we're gonna have to figure out what the heck's going on there. Oh, Tucker's still here. I'm surprised. Normally Tucker's the one that goes wild over the chipmunks, but Archie just took off when he heard that one. Yeah, so it's springtime, which is nice. Can finally do more stuff outside. Don't need a bunch of jackets and layers and stuff, which is handy dandy. Yeah, so lots more to come. Somebody dropped the ball and let it roll down the hill here and cross the thinnest layer of ice ever, and now it's sitting out there. And these guys are very concerned about the ball, but they figured out that the ice is definitely not... Oh, I wouldn't do that, buddy. The ice is definitely not thick enough to walk across to get that ball. Gonna share a drink in the same spot out of the whole lake? What are you gonna do? I might have to grab a pole or something to get that back. It's not thick enough to walk across. If I walk away, you guys have to come with me. No solo hero attempts here. Yep, see, that's what's gonna happen, buddy. I don't really feel like jumping in the water, the freezing water, to get the dog out. Oh. Trying to take a closer approach. I don't know about that, buddy. It might be a little thicker right there. You want to try it? Careful. Not so much, huh? Oh, you got a piece of ice instead. All right, come on, guys. Let's go. I'll find someone to get it back for you. Come on. It's okay, guys. Don't worry. I grabbed the pole. Is that long enough? I have to take the Archie approach. This is like frozen, half frozen bog that I'm starting to sink into. I wish I had my larger rubber boots on. I could just take a step in there and grab it. Guys, do not start fighting right here, please. Okay, come on. Oh, my foot's like in the water here. I know. Okay, get back. How solid is that? Okay, that's all. Get back, move. I need to get out more. Come on, move. Okay, so if I step on this one. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah. Who wants it? Oh, Tucker wants it. Okay. Now I have to get back without That's kind of solid there. Oh, okay. Whew, mission accomplished. And no one got soaked. No, don't let it roll again. So, if you can see right, where's my finger? Right there, there's a zip tie. I had a zip tie like both sides, like the inner and outer of each tire, just for the excess chain, because it was like whacking around quite a bit, and especially the inside, I didn't want to get tangled up in anything. Hi. How come you guys like to be involved when there's not a dog job, okay? Alright, where's the little thingy on the inside? Right there. Maybe I have to do the outside first. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to step on you. You're underneath my foot. You're underneath my foot. Yes. Yes. Okay, yeah, that's my arm. There's just the C hook on the inside and the P hook on the outside. So you just pop off the P hook on the outside, and that loosens the C hook on the inside, and then you just take it off. Why is there a spider on the tire that I'm trying to take the chain off of? Nothing's caught. I think I'm on a piece of wood. Hey, no bark. No, no, no. Hey. Relax. Relax. Hey. Hey. Relax. Okay. Chains are off. And that's why did you body tap the camera? Come here. Come here. You have dirt all over your face. You have dirt all over your face. Leave the poor chipmunks alone. So these Culpin, there we go. These Culpin chains for the ATV, they worked pretty well. We didn't use the ATV for like a crazy amount in the winter, but when we used it, like for doing like a little bit of plowing and stuff, and especially getting in and out when like half the road was thawed and stuff, it worked great. Like they had traction and everything. There was never a problem. I would recommend these. There was a little bit of like extra on them, I guess, for because all tires aren't exactly the same with like the treads and everything. So, but they work really good. I would recommend them. Not sponsored, by the way. Hey. Ready? Oh no, went under the truck. You get it? You get the ball? Who got it? Tucker got it. You want one, Archie? Oh boy. Come on, Tucker. Come on, Tucker. Come on, Tucker. What's your throw next, huh? Come here. Come. Come. Oh boy. Alright, drop it. Drop it. Drop. Stay. Ah. Drop it. Wait. Alright. Go get it. me and bounce. Such a baby. Who's coming? Come on. That's what's good. Come here now. Hey.